You ready? This is Hocus. She's a female, not fixed, not housebroken lab cross. She's about 10 weeks old, and she likes rawhides. Huh. That's Hocus. And this is Pocus. Hi, Pocus. What you doing? They're a little timid for puppies. I sure like them rawhides. For puppies, they're a little timid, but you're as sweet as can be. And Pocus is also a female, not fixed, not housebroken, 10 weeks old. So, Hocus and Pocus, two puppies. And then we got Wego. Hi, Wego. What you doing, buddy? You're a good boy. Wego's a Corgi Sheltie cross, about 8 years old, not fixed, possibly housebroke. A little shy, but a big lover. Good with kids, not sure of cats and dogs. It could be tested. He's good on a leash, huh, Wego? You are just adorable, Wego. You are. Good boy. Okay, and then Lucky. Lucky's still here. Lucky, tell everybody how awesome you are. Lucky's got cool paws, and he's just a sweet pea. Lucky's a neutered male, partially, almost all the way housebroken, Australian Shepherd cross. He's good with all, calm, 6 years old, super well-mannered, and he's starting to not really like it here at all. He's scared. He's a great, well-minded dog, huh, Lucky? Huh, Lucky? Look at that tail. Good boy.